These women are amazing. She's just 19. Went down well in the hall, as they say.
In the green room next to me is Amaury Basili from France.
Ah, Bookie's favorite.
Amaury. Oui? Oh, c'est formidable, hein? Ladies and gentlemen, if you like to vote for France or for anybody else, then grab
There
your
are all the
phone and
numbers.
vote.
Dial 09015 22 22, followed by the country you want to vote for. Lines are open now and close 15 minutes after the last song. So you've got plenty of time. You can watch all 25 and then decide. And do I really have to tell you? You can't vote for the UK. Nothing interesting happens. You just waste your money and your time, and Blue don't get a vote.
Our official Blu-ray version with bonus material, the CD and the DVD. And if you're interested in more backstage gossip, then check out Eurovision.tv. And now we continue with the last 5 countries.
You know who's drinking that red wine?
This is Eurovision contest.
Yes, the final 5 now. And it's Iceland's turn. Now, whatever you think of this song, there's no denying it's a very sweet story behind it. The band is called Shonny's Friends, and the song's called Coming Home. Now, Shonny's Friends aren't really a band. Shonny Brink was an Icelandic songwriter, and he entered a song into the national selection process. But then in January, unexpectedly, he died. Well, some friends and colleagues decided